Okay, welcome to my review of this, the BetaFPV LiteRadio 3. This is the ELRS version. It's a little bit bigger than the previous ones, but I like that because I'm a pinch gripper, so, well, hybrid technically. So I like to have that, grip like that. Some new things compared to the old one. Well, I don't know if this is new actually. This is a module, so you can put in like a long range thing, crossfire, whatever you want to do there. Here, you've got a little thing to attach a lanyard, which is useful if you're flying outdoors and standing up. Just gives more stability. The gimbals, to be honest, the gimbals are very good. By the way, there's no structure to this review. I'm just going to talk about what I like and don't like about it. The gimbals are very good. What I like about these is they can be removed and replaced. I haven't, luckily haven't had to do that yet, but you can remove and replace them if you need to. Let's power it on. I have been using this as the transmitter for my simulators. I've been using FPV Freerider, what else? Velocidrone. It does very well. It's actually surprisingly good. Very good, actually. Yep. So you have here little headphones, USB-C charging port. The toggles on the top, you'll notice that they're not levers now. They're actually buttons. So firstly, okay, so let's just go through them here. So this one. This is what I usually would say is your arming switch. So you can actually press it in and it stays compressed. Then you press it out and it's quite useful if you want to just feel like, is the drone armed? Oh, the switch is out, so you know it's not armed. If the switch is in, you know it is armed. Same thing with this one. This is the buzzer switch. I have this set as the buzzer switch. So if I've lost the drone, I press this in and the buzzer starts sounding so I can find it. Crash mode. Well, I mean, you can program these to be whatever you want. I'm just showing you what I have. So this is like turtle mode. So if I click this, the drone, let's say if it's upside down, I click this, drone goes into crash mode. I then arm, reverses the motors, one push on the pitch or roll, and it flicks open. Then I disarm, back to normal, arm again, and fly. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. There's not much really to say about this drone other than I love the gimbals. It works really well. I've tested the range. It's a very long range, ELRS obviously. I love the switches. I love that, they don't catch on anything if you've got this in your bag. It does come with some protectors. So you see here, right, it comes with these little joystick protectors, rubber things. And when these are on, you literally can't move the stick. So don't worry about it. If this is in your bag, it's going to be very well protected. I actually got this as part of the C2X kit, as you can maybe see here. So I have like LiteRadio, the drone, and the carrying case. But if you didn't have the carrying case, it would probably, I imagine, still come with these gimbal protectors. So you can just use those. If not, you can probably 3D print them or just find them online. They're very good, very strong, as you can see here. Oh, I think actually I forgot to mention, I don't think it came with this lanyard. This might be a lanyard that I had from something else and I just attached it to here. So that's something to bear in mind. It charges very quickly. What I might do is put some footage of me flying this using a simulator, but this is, if you see any of my drone videos, any of my other drone reviews, any flight footage, I'm flying this controller. This is at the moment the only controller I use. I don't really use any other one, so this is all I would recommend right now. And once again, I'm a hybrid gripper, so I like to hold it like this. For that, it's very good. And then these fingers control those switches. You can also use it joystick mode if you're one of those. Yeah, overall, very good, easy to use. You can see here the ports. Compared to, I will just say this, I have owned the previous two LiteRadios from BetaFPV. So the 1 and the 2, which is before this, which is a 3. I had problems with all two of those. I had to refund them, the gimbals stopped working, they broke. Luckily, I've been flying this one pretty much daily for a few months now, and I've not had any problems with this one. So I don't know what it is. Maybe they upgraded the gimbals. Well, they did upgrade the gimbals. Maybe they double checked their quality control or the soldering or something. But I've had no problems at all with this transmitter, whereas the other two I did have problems with. So yeah, that's something to bear in mind. Link is in the description if you want to get this at the best price. And you should check out my other videos for like other drone type of reviews.